Well, today we are going to discuss about the poet. The name of the poet Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 and died in 1941. He was the author of Gitanjali and his profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful verse. He became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. This poem is one of his vastly read and discussed poems. It was originally composed in Bengali and later he himself translated into English. This poem is from his Nobel Prize winning anthology Gitanjali. Tagore lived during the time when India was ruled by the British. In this poem, beside political freedom from British, and Tagore also appeals to God for social and educational and economical freedom for the people of India. Well, my dear students, I am going to paraphrase this poem. I am going to start. Rabindranath Tagore wishes his country to get true freedom, and he described what his heaven of freedom is. He begins with saying that the mind of his countrymen should be free from any fear, and their head should be held high in dignity. Knowledge should be free, and everyone should be allowed to acquire knowledge. People should be united, and the world should not be broken up into small pieces. There should be no division of people based on religion, caste, creed, color, race, or any other such a prejudice. Not only in our own society, but in the country of our world as well. Poet want a country where the people speak truth sincerely, with the words coming from the depth of their heart. And everyone should work hard to reach their goal, and they should continuously strive toward the perfection. He began compare logically thinking or the reason to clear the stream and the old traditional rituals and customs that are harmful to the dairy deserts and to sand of the dead habit. He says that the reasoning ability of people should not be lost or overshadowed by the superstitions, belief, and prejudice. That is, his countrymen should be led by the rational thinking and not by any old beliefs that are harmful. In 9 and 10th of the poet, in line 9 and 10th, the poet want the mind of his countrymen to be led forward by the Almighty so that they broaden their outlook, thought, and actions. He means that we should be generous in thought and open-minded. In the last line, the poet addressed the God as my father and asked him to awaken his country into a heaven of freedom, where there is totally freedom for good thoughts, good words, and good action.
Thank you very much.